Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these easy but delicious vegan blueberry muffins. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. The ingredients you're going to need is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour,
What it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go,
1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder,
5, 6, 7, 8.
1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to go ahead and whisk all that together. At this point, I continue to use my whisk. I would recommend after you whisk this together, the dry ingredients together, to go ahead and get a wooden spoon. Next, you're going to need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 3/4 to 1 cup of non-dairy milk. I start off with adding 3/4 of the milk, and then I add the last 1/4 at the end.
Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be?
Next, you're going to add 1 to 2 cups of frozen blueberries. I use 2 cups simply because my kids like a lot of blueberries in their muffins. Some people do not like a lot of blueberries, so that's why I say use 1 to 2 cups of frozen. Make sure they are frozen. I've made these with fresh and I've made them with frozen. Frozen does better because it doesn't change the color of your batter.
Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, just go ahead and line your muffin or cupcake pan with liners, or you could just go ahead and grease your muffin pan so that they do not stick. You don't even have to use the liners. I am using an ice cream scoop, about 3/4 of the ice cream scoop, and scooping some into each liner.
Oh, that heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak.
After you're finished filling your liners, go ahead and tap your pan just to make it a little even. I'm going to go ahead and bake these for 25 to 30 minutes in my already preheated oven. Right before they're finished, I go ahead and put some vegan butter right on top just to give them a little golden, make them a little more golden. But yeah, this is the end result of these blueberry muffins. These were so delicious, you guys. My kids tore them up within a day. So yeah, if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more. Also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?